Good morning, students. Welcome back again to another lesson, still under the equilibrium of forces. Last week we learned the method of solving three forces using triangular form. Using triangular method. This week we'll be learning what is Lamy's theorem. Also, you will learn how to derive formula for Lamy's theorem. And also, you will learn how to use the formula, the Lamy's theorem formula, to solve problems involving three forces in equilibrium. So the first thing we need to do is to know what is Lamy's theorem. So let's see that from here. The Lamy's theorem states that if three forces acting at a point are in equilibrium, then each force is proportional to the sine of the angle between the lines of action of the other two forces. I need to explain some things here. If three forces, let's talk about this. Three forces. That means the three forces must be concurrent forces. Number one, they must be coplanar forces. At the same time, they must be non-linear forces, collinear forces. Collinear forces means they must be on the plane and they must not be on the same straight line. Acting at a particular point, if they are in equilibrium, then each force, what I'm talking about is the magnitude of each force. The magnitude of each force must be proportional to the sine of the angle between the lines of action of the other two forces. Let's interpret this theorem in diagram so that we can see it properly. Yes, that is what we have. If you can still remember, this is what we did on triangle law of forces. So I'm using the same diagram to explain Lamy's theorem. We have force 1 here and force 2, and this is force 3. All these three forces acting on a particular body. Now, if force 3, the angle facing force 3, let's call it alpha. The angle facing force 1, let's call it maybe beta. And the angle facing force 2, let's call it theta. So Lamy's theorem is saying that this force is proportional to the angle of the sine. That is, I can now say F3 is proportional to sine. Okay, is proportional. Sorry, let's see that. I want to clean this. Yes, is proportional to sine alpha. You remember in mathematics when we talk about proportional, we change it to constant. So I can say F3 equal to K sine alpha. So let's make K the subject of the formula. Here we are going to have K equal to F3 sine over sine alpha. If we do that for F2 and theta, we are going to get, let's see that we are going to get that is K equal to F2 all over sine theta. If we do the same thing for F1 and beta, we are going to get K equal to F1 all over sine beta. So let's combine the three together. It's going to give us Lamy's theorem. That is what the theorem is all about. Therefore, we have F1 over sine beta equal to F2 over sine theta equal to F3 all over sine alpha. This formula gives us Lamy's theorem. I'll be using this formula to also solve questions related to three forces in equilibrium. Look at the difference between triangle law and Lamy's theorem. Discover that little or slight difference between them. So let's go inside the class now and begin to solve, for example, on how to use Lamy's theorem to solve triangle forces in equilibrium. God bless you.